In this video, I am going to show you how to create a pie chart using two datasets. The phishing dataset. The phishing dataset is from the dataset EC dataset repository, and the hair eye color dataset that is imported from the R-based repository. The phishing dataset has 1,182 number of cases and 13 variables. So we go to, and the hair eye color dataset has a total number of cases of 32 and then a total number of variables 5. So let me close dataset, close the dataset tab, and then we go to plots. From the plot toolbox, I'm going to click on create a plot and then select the option pie chart. So once that option is selected, we go to selecting a dataset. The first dataset that I'm selecting is the phishing dataset. Since the dataset that we are selecting is a raw dataset, we are not using the frequency, and the factor is going to be the mode of phishing. So I'm going to type in the title, mode of phishing. By default, Rguroo places percentages of each factor label inside each pie chart slice. In Rguroo, the labels of factors are referred to as the slice labels, and the counts and percentages are called the value labels. So once the title is entered, I'm going to click on the eye icon to preview it, and then we'll see the pie chart representing the mode of phishing. So once the pie chart is created, you have the option to save the pie chart. You also have the option to download the file. Now the second pie chart graph that I'm creating will be generated by using another dataset, and that's here eye color dataset. If I go to this dataset is imported from the R-based repository. The air eye color dataset has 32 cases, 5 variables. So let me close the dataset and go again to the option plots, and then under the creating plot, once again, I'm going to select the option pie chart. Now, the second dataset, named as air eye color dataset, comes in the format of 32 cases, as I said, created in a three-dimensional array, resulting in the cross-tabulation of 592 students' observation. For example, there are 32 male students who had black hair and brown eyes. In order to create another pie chart for the way that the dataset is given, we start off by selecting the dataset, which is hair eye color. The factor is going to be hair, and now we have to choose the frequency in this particular case. If we are not choosing the frequency, and then I'm previewing this without selecting the frequency, then we'll get a pie chart such as this one. So let's go back to the table, select basic again, and now we have to select the frequency. After selecting hair as our factor, then we select frequency option, we enter the hair color, so select frequency, and then enter the title. And now we preview. Once again, you have the option to select the value labels and then select the slices as well. So I can select percent if I want to, and then click on the eye icon and preview it. So now we get the pie chart that corresponds to the air color and then correspond to the dataset air eye color dataset. You also have the option to save it or to download the file.